हरिबो।
एक स्थिति तो ये
हरे कृष्णा।
कि खड़े होकर यदि स्वागत ना किया जाए तो दोष लगता है, और एक ऐसी स्थिति जिस सब भागवत जी के प्रसंग है, जहाँ पर एक प्रश्न उठाया गया।
So these are all topics of Bhagavatam ji, where this question is arise that why there is this fighting between Sasur, father-in-law and son-in-law, not ordinary father-in-law and son-in-law. This is the point of Shiv ji. And who is his father-in-law? Daksh Prajapati.
ब्रह्मा जी ने दक्ष प्रजापति को प्रजापतियों का प्रधान बनाया। अभिमान में चूर होकर
Brahma ji he was appointed as the leader of all Daksh Prajapatis.
ये सोचने लगा अब तो मैं बहुत बड़ा बन
All Prajapatis. Now Daksh Prajapati, he thought that I have become so great. Now deliberately he comes late in the assembly. See,
एक बात कही, प्रभुत्ता पाई।
there is one thing which has been said.
जहाँ पर किसी को थोड़ी सी प्रभुत्ता मिलती है,
When a person gets some importance,
मान सम्मान,
means some respect,
वो सोचने लग जाता है
then that
कि
person
आप
starts thinking that, oh, who I was and what I have become. Our Gurudev used to say in Bangla, ki chilam ki hai pichile. There are some Bengali Matajis here.
क्या था और क्या बन गया।
What I was and what I became.
जबकि ये भूल जाता है बना किसकी कृपा से है, आध्यात्मिक जगत
But he
में
forgot
जितने भी गुण प्राप्त होते
that
हैं,
all the qualities that a person gets in this spiritual world, it's only by Guru Kripa, by the mercy of Sri Guru. Once in a village,
शीतला माता होगा ना, गांव वाले ने सोचा इनको पूरे गांव का चक्कर लगाया जाए। तो सवारी किसकी दी? एक गधे की। गधे को
so the villagers, they thought that there is this Devi, the demigoddess of the village, so let her have a procession on a donkey. So a donkey was chosen and the procession started. Now whoever is coming, they are just offering garlands and so many flowers, so much sweet and everything to the demigoddess. They are applying all this offering to demigoddess. But the donkey on whom the demigoddess has been sat, donkey is thinking, oh, so much respect. Everyone is respecting me. Everyone is offering flower garland to me. So this donkey is not understanding that the person who is sitting above you, the worship is done to him. And this foolish donkey is thinking that it's my respect. Everyone is respecting me. Now this is called donkey mindset. And the donkey always stays a donkey. Now,
कौन से पैरों से मारता है?
donkey kicks from which legs?
पीछे वाले से क्यों मारता है? इसका साइंटिफिक रीजन क्या है?
Why he kicks from the back legs?
क्यों नहीं मारता?
Why not in the front legs? From the front legs? What's the scientific reason? The scientific reason is that because he is donkey. Because he is donkey, so he kicks from the back legs, not from the front legs.
अच्छा, बलदेव जी ने भी गधे को मारा है।
Now, Baldev ji also killed a donkey.
कौन सा गधा?
Which donkey?
हाँ? बताओ। सुना है कभी?
Have you heard this before?
धेनुकासुर। ब्रजमंडल में गए कभी? 84
धेनुकासुर।
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा।
You have been to Brajmandal?
अकेले भी जाओगे तो ये सारे स्थानों पर नहीं पहुंच सकते।
Even if you go alone, you will not be able to reach all these places.
पूरे देश विदेश से सारे
In the month of Kartik,
हमारे पास आते हैं। हम उनको ब्रज 84 कोस परिक्रमा करवाते हैं।
everyone comes from all across the
इस
world.
साल 1 नवंबर से
This year, from November 1 to November 15, just 2 weeks of parikrama.
कोई अगर जाना चाहे
If anyone wants to go, please let us know.
वो सारे स्थानों पर बसों में लेकर जाते हैं।
So they take to different pastime places from bus. Everything is arranged, food, accommodation and all for 15 days.
और ऐसी आपत्ति 15 दिन करना ही पड़ेगा, बीच में नहीं कर सकते तो आराम भी करो। लेकिन उन्होंने पूरा
And also, if you cannot do for 15 days, you can take rest in between. But they will take full
इतना
feast.
आनंद लगता है, सब स्थानों पे जाते हैं
So see,
और नारद
they go
जी
to
ने
all
भगवान
different
से
places.
वरमांगा।
Now Narad ji asked one devotee, asked one boon from
नारद जी
Brahma
ने
ji.
कहा, प्रभु जो व्यक्ति कैसे
Narad ji
क्यों ना
said to
हो,
Krishna
आपकी लीला स्थली पर
that,
जाकर
"O
उस
Prabhu,
स्थान पर बैठकर जहाँ पर
that
आपने जो
a
लीला
person, howsoever he is, if he goes to your pastime place and hear your katha, then you have to give your bhakti to that person."
भगवान ने कहा, नारद
The Lord said, Narad, don't make it so
नारद जी
cheap.
का ये कलयुग के जीव है,
Narad ji said, "Oh,
कंसेशन देना ही पड़ेगा।
this is Kalyug Jivas, Prabhu. You have to give some concession. They will not be able to do much."
भगवान ने आशीर्वाद दिया,
So the Lord gave this boon,
इसलिए हम जो आते हैं
and that's why we go to Madhuvan,
तालवन,
Talvan,
बहुलावन,
Bahulavan, Kokilavan,
जितने वन हैं,
all these forests, 12 forests.
इन सब स्थानों पे दर्शन करने जाते हैं।
We go to have darshan in all these places where what all things the Lord did.
उस स्थली पर वहाँ पर प्रणाम करना, कथा
We pay obeisances to those places, and then hearing Harikatha, it's so important. In the whole year, the month of Kartik is the most auspicious. And you say that, oh, what auspicious, there is no marriages in that. Yes, this month is not for marriages, this month is for bhajan. This is the month of Radhaji.
तो इसलिए हम परिक्रमा के एक स्थान पे
That's
जाते
why
हैं,
while doing parikrama, we go to a place called Talvan, where a donkey,
जिसका नाम था धेनुकासुर, श्री बलदेव जी
whose name was Dhenukasur.
कृष्ण के साथ, अपने सखाओं के साथ
Shri Baldev ji with Krishna, with his sakhas, he is performing pastime in the forest. Now the sakhas, they said that, oh,
महाबाहु हैं,
we heard your name so much that, oh, you are so strong.
बलदेव जी ने कहा, दिखाऊं अभी बल? बोलते ना ना, हमको नहीं, पेट में भूख लग रही है, उस असुर को मारो। बोलते कहना क्या चाहते हो? सखाओं ने कहा, पास में ही ताल वन है, ताल के सुंदर सुंदर फल, आप लोग नहीं जानते ताल फल, बंगाली जानते हैं।
The sakhas said that there is Talvan nearby.
ताल फल एक सफेद रंग का बड़ा मीठा,
There is this fruit in the Talvan which is Tal fruit, and it's on the Bengal side. It's not here.
हाँ, तुम तो ताल फल जाने तो
Do you know Tal fruit?
खाने पाए जाए।
We don't get it here.
बंगाल में होता है,
In Bengal only we get that.
पहले यहाँ ब्रज में होता था ताल,
Previously,
जी मैं बंगाली नहीं हूँ,
it was there in Braj. I'm not a Bengali, but I can speak
पंजाबी
Bengali.
हो जाऊँ।
If you want, I can speak in Punjabi also.
तो ब्रज में ताल वन में
So in Braj,
ताल के वृक्ष,
in Talvan,
लेकिन कंस नहीं,
there are trees of Tal fruit, but
किसको?
Kans sent a demon
जाओ इस वन की
that
रक्षा
is
करो।
in a donkey form to go and protect this forest. Now Balramji started laughing, hearing the words of the friends. Sakha said that, Prabhu, there is this Talvan nearby, there are very beautiful fruits of Tal, but there is a problem.
एक गधा कर रहा है, धेनुकासुर।
A donkey is actually protecting that forest. Now Balramji started laughing so loudly, catching his stomach. For example, you say that, oh, my friend has a bungalow of 1,000 gaj, very big. So there must be so many guards in that required. And then say, no, we have actually kept a donkey to guard the house. So can a donkey really guard the house? Balramji started laughing, just thinking that, oh, okay then, let's go in this forest where the guard is the donkey. Now Balramji, he just shook the tree and tal fruit started falling one by one. The sakhas, they started taking and eating. Now this Dhenukasur, who is donkey, he came at once and started hitting Baldev Prabhu from his back legs. As I told that a donkey, because he is a donkey, that's why he uses his back legs to attack. Now Balramji just caught his back leg and just whirled him around and then threw him at once.
इसको देखते देखते
and he got killed. Now seeing this, all the friends of the donkey, who are again donkeys only, so they came and then they started attacking, and Balram ji he just killed everyone.
वहाँ पर कोई ताल फल ही नहीं होगा, वो गधे को मार दिया। वो तो ऐसे ही कहते हैं।
Now in the same way, Guruji also is like the expansion of Baldev ji, and we also have intelligence like a donkey. You know, donkey is such a personality who accepts all the burden but does not relish. He works so hard whole day, but he is not able to really relish that wealth.
बलराम जी इस गधे को मारते मतलब गुरु जी गधे वाली बुद्धि को मारते हैं, समाप्त करते हैं.
So that means Guruji actually kills our donkey-like intelligence.
सुनेंगे? सुनेंगे? सोता नहीं रहे? बोलो कृष्ण बलराम की जमुना जी, वृंदावन में जमुना जी के तट पर
in Vrindavan, on the banks of Yamuna ji, there is this donkey who stays very happily. He is very blissfully eating many things on the bank of Ganges. Now, one god brother of this donkey, he came, and this donkey who was living on Yamuna ji, he said that, "Oh, why you are looking so pathetic? Seems like your boss beat you nicely." He said, "Yes, he has beaten me so badly." Then this donkey says that, "Why you are living with him? See, I live on the banks of Yamuna, and there is no boss. I am just independent and nicely having all the grass and everything." Said, "Okay, let me just give me 3 days of time and I will think about it." It's not easy to leave the boss. Now, after 3 days when he came, his other leg also was broken. With the broken leg, he is drinking water of Yamuna ji. Now that first donkey, he said, "Hey, it seems like you have got beaten so nicely, so badly. Does he give you to eat?" "Oh no, sometimes he does not give." "I am again giving this chance. Why do you leave this opportunity? Just leave your stubbornness. You can stay near Jamuna ji. So nice. You are a donkey, don't be a donkey. Your boss beats you so much, and just for 2 chapatis you are serving him so much. Then what is the point? Why you are doing?" Then the donkey says that, "Oh, I'll not tell you today. I'll tell you someday later." He said, "You are a donkey but don't have intelligence like a donkey. I am teaching you because I'm your friend. Okay, give me for 4 days and I will tell you." After 4 days when he came, now so many blood stains, so many wounds on the back also. Now when he reached, Yamuna ji just fell down. And now the Yamuna ji donkey is saying that, "Today you have got so pathetic situation. Oh donkey, just seriously I'm telling you, just leave your boss. Why you are under him? And that master is beating you so badly. You just come with me. We will stay nicely and happily. Why are you not coming? Why are you not coming? Tell me the reason today." He said, "Okay, I'll tell you the reason. See, please don't tell anyone." "Oh, it's okay, just tell me." Said, "Oh, the point here is that my master, he is a washerman." "Yeah, I know that. You must be serving him. Now, this washerman has a very beautiful girl. So what? You are a donkey. What if she is beautiful?" Said, "Oh, there is some relation actually. See, she is very beautiful, very beautiful." Actually, what happened, once I stay in that house, once I saw that the washerman washed the clothes and gave the clothes to iron to the this beautiful
प्रेस करते
daughter.
कपड़े को जला
Now the daughter, she by mistake just burnt the cloth. Now my master, he got angry and said, "Hey, foolish girl, you burnt this cloth. Next time you do this, I will get you married with this donkey."
बोलता मैं तब से इस इंतजार में घर में बैठा
So the donkey says that since then I am waiting for the right time, that when she will again burn the cloth and I'll get married with her.
है ना मैं कब से इंतजार में बैठा हूँ
Since so long I have been waiting
बस घर में तो गधा बैठे ही है शादी हो जाएगी
that I am here in the house, a donkey.
मूर्ख
I'll get married nicely.
शादी के चक्कर में कितनी मार खा रहा है
Now the first donkey, he is saying that, "Oh foolish donkey,
मालिक की
for just that marriage you are getting so many beatings from the society.
जी मेरे मालिक है
Just live with us. See, Thakurji is our
भगवान मेरे
master. I stay near Yamuna ji. The Lord gives me everything, such beautiful grass. I'm living so happily and peacefully, and you are living such a miserable life." So, oh, you are right actually. I have already gone.
मार खा ली
I have really gone through so much. Now I'll not entangle into these things.
तुम्हारे साथ ही
Now
यमुना जी के किनारे ठाकुर जी को ही अपना मालिक बनाकर रहो
I'll just reside with you, making Thakurji my really master.
कैसी
So the mind, the brain of a donkey is like donkey only. Although he is a donkey, but he should be little intelligent. And you know how this donkey is? In the days of monsoon, there's so much lush green. So the donkey, he looks behind and see that, oh, so many grass, so much grass.
और जब धूप पड़ती है गर्मी पड़ती है
And when in the summers,
तो सब घास सूख जाती
then the grass becomes very dry. Then he turns back and see,
है
oh,
बची नहीं मैंने सारी
no grass is there. I have eaten all.
मैंने सारी खा ली
I have eaten all.
ऐसा मूर्ख
He does not eat, thinking that I have eaten all.
बुद्धि को
Now,
समाप्त
this foolish intelligence,
बलराम
this foolish mindset actually gets killed by Balram ji, and that Balram ji comes in our life in the form of Sri Guru.
गुरु के रूप में आते इसलिए शिष्य भी
That's why the disciple also.
बड़े प्रकार का होता है
There are so many different kinds of disciples.
एक शिष्य होता है जो
One disciple
गुरु जी के आदेश को एज इट इज पालन कर लेता है
is that who follow the words of Guru as it is.
तीन प्रकार के शिष्य बताए
There are three types of
एक होता
disciples.
है उत्तम
One is
एक होता है बीच वाला
Uttam, one is intermediate,
और एक नीचे वाला
advanced, intermediate, and
छोटा वाला
beginner.
कनिष्ठ वाला शिष्य पता कैसा होता है
Now, how the beginner, the Kanishta disciple is like?
बेटा पानी
Guruji says, "Oh my son, give me some water. I am really very thirsty after speaking so much katha." "Oh Guruji, I'll bring at once."
लौट कर आ गया
He ran and came back and said,
भूल गया
"Oh, I forgot
स्टील के गिलास
that
लाओ कि कांच के
should I bring in steel glass or the glass or like
आप गिलास लगे
other glass?"
अभी ना
Said, "Oh, any glass, just bring water." Then again he went,
रास्ते से लौट कर आ गया बोले अब क्या बात
and then he again came back half the way.
मिनरल
Said,
वाटर के टैप वाटर
"Oh, I forgot to ask, mineral water or tap water?"
कोई भी वाटर
"Oh, any water, just give me water."
फिर दौड़ा दौड़ा गया
Then again ran and came back. What happened this time? Guruji, tell me, hot, lukewarm or hot or cold?
भाई बहुत प्यास लग रही है
"Oh my son, I'm really very thirsty. Please bring water and don't come this time."
दौड़ा दौड़ा गया
He ran like anything and then again came back.
फिर लौट कर आ गया अब क्या बात है
"Hey, what happened now?"
आखिरी बात
"Last time, Guruji.
गिलास हाथ में ले आऊं कि ट्रे में लगे
Do you want glass in hand or in tray?"
बोलते भाई कैसे
Say,
मिला?
"Oh my son, just bring anyway, just bring it."
आप हंस रहे हो ना
You all are laughing
पर
right
हम
now.
रोज ऐसे कितने
But
लोगों से झुलसते हैं
we actually go through so many of such
सच्ची बात वो हंसी वाली बात
disciples every day.
बड़े बड़े बैठे हैं
There are so many big donkeys are sitting in the society. Very intelligent donkeys.
गिलास
They do like this. They do like this.
मैं अपने पानी पी
Arey, you just leave. I'll just go and drink myself.
ये होता है कनिष्ठ
This is Kanishta.
सेवा करने की इच्छा तो है
He really wants to serve Guruji, but
लेकिन समझ नहीं पाता
he does not understand.
इतनी बुद्धि छोटी कम है
Very less intelligence.
समझ मन के भाव नहीं समझ पाता
Not understand the moods.
कहाँ करना है
What to speak, when to speak. He never understands
वाला
that.
होता है उसको बोलते हैं मध्यम
then there is a better disciple than this, which is in Madhyam. The disciple, just by seeing the eyes of Guruji, he will understand what to do, when to do, how to do. Just by signals, does not need orders. Guru becomes very much proud of such disciple. This is Madhyam. And above this, Uttam disciple. How the Uttam disciple is? That he goes against the words of Guru to serve Guru. This is very high class state. And don't try this at home. Don't try at home. It's a disclaimer. He disobey the orders of Guru and serve Guru. How? Once our Guruji is Guruji. Once he was doing parikrama with his Guruji. There, some people, they started throwing stones, glass and bricks because he was preaching the real thing, and the envious people could not tolerate this and they wanted to kill him. At that time then, our grandfather Guru, our Guruji is Guruji, now he forcefully took his Guruji in the room and removed his sannyas cloth and wore himself and gave him his own brahmachari clothes. Now when he was changing this cloth, so his Guruji actually chastised him, what you are doing? You are wearing my clothes? Such great offense? Are you mad or what? Guruji, whatever I am doing, let me do. Don't say anything. So he is chastising also, he is doing everything, but still the disciple is bearing. Why? Because his purpose is not to actually disobey Guruji, but to actually protect his life. Wearing his clothes, he wants to show that I am that personality whom you want to kill, just kill me. And he is protecting his Guruji. So externally it looks like the words are not being followed, but inside, putting life in the hand, he is serving his Guruji, and this is called advanced disciple. Now, like this, there are Adham disciple. Adham means very small. And among them there are one Baan. Baan means arrow. Arrow disciple. Arrow goes once, never turns back, never comes back. Guru says to disciple, do this task, and he went to do this task, he never came back. The arrows, they never come back. One is Ali. Ali means bumblebee. Bumblebee is the one who is So the Guruji said to the disciple that do this task. Now he also becomes like a bumblebee, saying that, oh, it's always me, all service to me, there are other disciples also, all burden on me only. So this is Adham disciple. And then the most inferior disciple, that is Lakir ka Fakir. You understand what it means? Whatever you say, he will just follow as it is. He will not try to understand what to do, what not to do. He will just be like a donkey. For example, one Guru and disciple sitting on the horse, they were going from one village to another for preaching. Guruji said, I will be in the forward side and you just walk backward. So why? Because anything which will fall from my horse, you can just pick that up and bring it to me. Okay? Okay, Guruji, I will follow your words. So just walk behind. Half an hour the horse went, and horse just did urine, passed urine. Now the disciple thought that whatever is falling, I have to pick that up and give it to Guruji. So he just picked the urine of this horse and bringing it to Guruji. Guruji, take this. And Guruji said, Hey Bhagwan, I didn't tell this. What is my belonging? If that falls, then bring it to me. But Guruji, you told that whatever falls from the horse, then just bring it to me. I didn't just understand my moods. Okay, Guruji, just make a list of all the things which I have to pick up and which I don't have to pick up. Okay, I'll write. He wrote the whole list. Towel, utensils, this and that, the whole list. He said, okay, now in this list, whatever is there, you have to pick that up. And whatever is not in the list, don't pick that up. Guruji, now I'll serve you so nicely. You will never forget. Now he said, okay. And they started walking. After 2 hours, a pebble came, a big stone came, and Guruji fell down from that horse. Now the disciple is just walking with the horse and all the things, and Guru is saying that, hey, pick me up. And the disciple is looking at the list. Hey, Guruji's name is not there in the list. If I'll do something else, then he will get angry on me. He said, whatever is in the list, just pick that up. Whatever is not in the list, don't pick that up. Guruji, I am gonna walk now. You gave me order, I am just following as it is. So is this real intelligence? This is donkey. He is donkey. So a donkey also consider himself as, oh, got some respect and all. Now I have become very great person. Very great. But always he will stay as a donkey only. Oh, how you got really great. Brahma ji, he gave the position of leadership to this Daksh Prajapati. Now with so much pride, in the assembly of demigods, now he deliberately came late. Why he deliberately came late? Thinking that when I'll come late, then everyone will stand up and respect me. If I'll come before, then nobody will respect me. Now the one who is the leader, we have to give some respect to him. Now, when he came, there were only 2 personalities who did not stand up, Brahmaji and Shiv. Now, Daksh Prajapati just looked everywhere and found, and then he just declared in the whole assembly, said that, everyone just hear to me. I am not saying this out of enviousness, but I am telling this honestly. Brahmaji is my father. He is the father of all. He is the creator. He does not need to stand up for me. But the Shiva, he is my son-in-law. And son-in-law is like a son. He did not stand up for me. I don't know why. I came in the words of Brahmaji, and my beautiful, dear-eyed daughter Sati, I just got her married to this monkey-like Shiva. Just see his form. How ugly. Always stay naked. Apply the sand of crematorial grounds on his body. Have snake on the neck. Always carry this trident. And I don't know whom he is always meditating on. His eyes are like monkeys, red. Accepting this half moon, having this matted hairs as if a great yogi, and started criticizing, abusing Shivji so much. Why he said like this? Because today the intelligence got so spoiled because of the high platform. He was made something, and he started thinking that, oh, I have become a great person. And then at the lotus feet of Shivji, the offenses that he made. Regarding Shivji, if someone says like this,
सहन नहीं कर सकता,
then not everyone can really bear this.
वचन की जो देवी है सरस्वती देवी,
The word, the demigoddess of words, Saraswati Devi, she also could not hear these words, and all the abusive words Saraswati ji just converted
स्तुति में लगा दिया।
and made it like prayers for Shivji. Because Saraswati Devi, she is Vag Ish Yasya Vadane.
ये वाग शक्ति है।
She is the potency of speaking.
जब दक्ष प्रजापति ने कहा कि देखो
Now when Daksh Prajapati said
शमशान की राख मल के रहता है,
that, oh, see this Shiva,
तो इसका अर्थ
he
क्या है?
applies the sand of crematorial grounds.
क्यों शिव शमशान की राख मल के रहते हैं?
Then Saraswati Devi is explaining that why Shivji is having all this
शिव
crematorial
के
ground
कार्य
sand,
करते हैं।
ashes, sorry.
भागवत जी में
So
लिखा,
Saraswati Devi is explaining that Shivji acts as a guru.
वैष्णव नाम यथा
In
शंभु,
Bhagavad Ji it has been written, Vaishnav Naam Yatha Shambhu. Among all Vaishnavas, Shambhu, Shivji is the best of all Vaishnavas.
कहीं नहीं लिखा
In Bhagavad Ji, there has been no mention saying that, oh, Shivji is the Supreme Lord. Nowhere.
शिव जी को उपाधि दी गई है वैष्णव नाम यथा शंभु।
Shivji has been given this position, Vaishnav Naam Yatha Shambhu. He is the best of all
अब आप
Vaishnavas.
कोई तर्क उठाएं,
Now you
नहीं,
can
नहीं, हम शिव
come up with
भगवान
some
मानेंगे।
logic that no, we will consider Shivji as the Supreme Lord. So your consideration, my consideration has no value. Whatever the scriptures say, that is the main
अपने
thing.
हाथ में माला रखते
Now,
हैं, भगवान अपने हाथ में माला रखते हैं।
A devotee keeps mala in his hand or the Lord keeps mala in the hand.
हाँ?
Now tell, in the hands of Shivji, which mala is there?
तो शिव अपना
Rudraksh.
नाम जप करते हैं।
So Shivji chants his own name.
ओम
Om Namah Shivaya.
कोई अपना नाम जप करता है?
Does he chant his own name? No, nobody chants one's own name. He chants the name of Ramji.
शिव राम जी का नाम जप करते हैं, इसलिए
And that's why
वैष्णव में सबसे श्रेष्ठ है शिव।
he is the best of all Vaishnavas.
जिसने शिव जी को भगवान मानने की चेष्टा की,
Those who all tried to
वे सब भगवान के हाथों से
consider Shivji as the Supreme Lord, they all got killed by Supreme Lord only. All these demons, Duryodhan, Kansa, and like there's so many, Bhasmasur, Narnasur,
ये सारे असुर शिव जी को एक स्वतंत्र ईश्वर मानकर पूजा करते हैं, इनसे शक्ति हासिल
they
करते हैं।
all worship Shivji considering him the Supreme Lord, and they want to consider and get all the
ये
potency.
सब भगवान के हाथ
They never considered Shivji as a devotee, and they got killed by the hands of the Supreme Lord.
ठीक से आराम
But those who actually worship Shivji properly,
भगवान के चरणों तक पहुंचे।
now Shivji takes them towards the lotus feet of the Lord. Shivji is very glorious.
जो द्वेष करेगा, अपराध करेगा,
Whoever
कभी
will
भगवान को प्राप्त नहीं
be envious to Shivji,
कभी भक्ति नहीं करेगा।
whoever will be offensive to Shivji, they will never be able to do bhakti. But considering the place,
शिव जी का स्थान क्या है?
considering the position of Shivji, then one should approach him.
शिव तत्व
The Shiv Tattva is very deep Tattva.
ना तो ये देवता है,
He is not a
और ना
demigod,
ही ये ईश्वर है।
neither he is the Supreme God.
ऐसा तत्व है। इनकी बड़ी लीला,
Very
शिव वे हैं
deep. He is having so many
जो
pastimes.
विष पान करते
He
हैं।
is that Shiva who drinks
लीला में
poison.
शिव जी ने विष पान कर लिया।
In ocean churning pastime,
लेकिन
Shivji
विष
drank
पान
poison.
करके अपने कंठ से नीचे उतारा।
But after drinking poison, did he really took that poison in his heart? No. Why?
शिव जी विचार कर रहे हैं,
शिव जी
अपने
is
हृदय में
thinking
भगवान को स्थान रखता हूं।
That I keep my
ये
Supreme
विष का
Lord
प्रभाव कहीं
in
मेरे
my heart.
मुंह पर लग जाए। इसे कंठ में ही धारण कर लिया और नाम हो गया।
So this poison should not touch my Lord. So that's why he kept in the neck only, in the throat only, and he got this blue throat, because of which he got the name Neelkant.
कर लिया, नाम और
His throat becomes blue out of that poison.
को विष का प्रभाव।
Okay, tell me why Shivji does not get affected by this poison?
विष होता है विरह।
Vish is viraha, means poison is separation. Shivji says this ordinary poison, what can it do? I have drunk greater poison. What greater poisons?
होते भगवान का विरह वाला।
Poison of separation from the Lord. I have drunk that.
कैसे?
How?
ये शिव तत्व बड़ा अद्भुत है।
This Shiv Tattva is very
ध्यान से सोचिए। थोड़ा
unique
बैठ जाएंगे।
and special.
एक तरफ तो शिव असुरों को वरदान देते हैं,
One side,
जैसे रावण
Shivji gives
रावण किसकी उपासना करता था?
boon
अपने
to
आप को इतना बलवान
demons.
समझने लगा,
For example, Ravan,
कैलाश को उठाने चला।
whose worship he did. Ravan started thinking that, oh, I am so potential that I can lift Kailash mountain. And Shivji just pressed his toe thumb, and he could not lift the whole Kailash. Now Shivji is that who gives boon to Ravan, and that same Shiv, he becomes the servant of Ramji in the form of Hanuman. Hanuman is Rudra only.
भीम कौन है?
Bhima.
एक भी रुद्र है,
Bhima also is incarnation of Rudra. These are all Rudras
जो राम जी की भी सेवा कर रहे हैं।
who are serving Ramji also and Krishna also.
तो एक तरफ तो असुरों को वरदान दे रहे
So
हैं,
one side he is giving boon to the demons, and other side he is also serving Ramji.
बड़ा अद्भुत है भाई।
So it's very difficult to understand him.
ठीक समझ
Very
जाओगे तो
special.
बात समझ आ जाएगी।
If you can understand nicely,
नहीं
then
समझ
you will
पाओगे तो फिर गड़बड़ है।
hold this tattva.
बहुत सारे लोग समाज में कहते
Many
हैं
people in the society, they say that
कि शिव बड़े हैं,
Shivji is the supreme,
क्योंकि राम जी ने भी शिवलिंग का स्थापना
because
किया
Ramji also established Shivlinga and worshipped Shivji at Rameshwaram. We went Rameshwaram for darshan.
राम जी ने स्थापित किया।
Ramji established
तो
this.
राम जी यदि शिव की पूजा कर
So if Ramji is serving Shivji, that means Shivji is superior. That's the thing. Are you understanding?
लेकिन अगर ये बात
Now, if this is the thing, then
राम जी ने तो कौशल्या माता की भी
Ramji worshipped Kaushalya Mata also. So Kaushalya Mata also is Supreme Lord.
राम जी ने दशरथ जी की भी
Ramji worshipped Dasharath Maharaj also. Then Dasharath also is Supreme.
वशिष्ठ जी की
Ramji worshipped Vashishta also, Valmiki ji also. So they also became Bhagwan. Everyone became Bhagwan.
तो फिर सारे भगवान हो गए।
If we just consider this, that whoever the Lord is worshipping, that is Bhagwan, then everyone will become Bhagwan. Just understand that why Lord Ram established Shivlinga. See, Ramji is Maryada Purushottama.
राम जी भगवान है कि देवता है?
Ramji is Bhagwan or demigod? He is Bhagwan.
तो जो भगवान साकेत धाम से इस पृथ्वी तक आ सकते हैं,
So that Bhagwan who can come from Saket Dham to this earth, then can he not actually cross Lanka? Is it very difficult for him? No. He can do it very easily.
लेकिन ये है
But
लीला।
this is human-like pastime. Human pastime means
जैसे एक साधारण मनुष्य रहते हैं,
as
उन्होंने पहले ही वचन
there
दिया,
are ordinary humans,
मैं नर लीला का
he
अतिक्रमण
lived like ordinary human. He has already taken a vow that I will not transgress human-like pastimes. I will not show my divine and supernatural powers.
जब कर रहे हैं तो अपने आप को
And everyone will be blissful in that only.
राम जी ने बोला,
Now when Ramji is performing this,
क्या बोलो सब?
did ever Ramji said that, oh, call me Jai Shri Ram, call Jai Shri Ram? No.
मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम है।
Because he is Maryada
मर्यादा
Purushottam.
के कारण ये नहीं
Because of the
कहते कि
standards,
ये कार्य
he is not able to say that, oh, glorify me, Jai Jai Ram.
मेरे परम भक्त हैं।
At that time, he thought that Shivji is my great devotee. He always chants my holy names. I will make him glorified.
करवाते हैं और
I'll make him glorious. So the devotees, they glorify the Lord and the Lord glorify the devotees.
पांच मुख है,
Shivji has 5 mouths.
पांच मुख से
And from that 5 mouth he chants the holy name of the Lord and serves the Lord. And he speaks Bhagavad Katha to the wife and everyone. So Shri Ramji also, he wants to glorify his very dearmost devotee, that is Shivji. And that's why he established Shivling from his own hand, because out of human-like pastimes, he cannot say this, that I am the Supreme Lord. And that's why he just made Shivji more superior and glorified him in front of everyone and said everyone to chant Har Har Mahadev.
जब रामेश्वर शिवलिंग का स्थापित हुआ,
When Rameshwar Shivling got established,
सारे ब्राह्मण
all the Brahmanas,
जय जयकार करने लगे, बोलते
they started
रामेश्वरम
glorifying.
की जय।
All glories to Rameshwaram ji.
तो पूछा भाई रामेश्वरम का
Now,
अर्थ क्या है?
it was asked, what is the meaning of
तो
Rameshwaram?
ब्राह्मणों ने कहा,
Then Brahmanas
ये
said
शिव, ध्यान से सुनो,
that the
ये
Shiva,
शिव राम के ईश्वर हैं,
he is the Supreme Lord He is the Lord of Ram. That's why it is Rameshwar.
ईश्वर है इसलिए इनका नाम रामेश्वरम है।
Ishwar of Ram is Rameshwar.
सारे देवता प्रकट हो गए।
Now all the demigods, they appeared and said, "Hey Brahmanas, what what stupid thing are you saying? This is completely opposite.
शिव राम के ईश्वर हो
Shivji is the Ishwar of Ram." The Brahmanas, they folded the hands. Oh demigods, then you can tell the reason,
बोलते राम भी ईश्वर
the
है
understanding. He said, Ram also is Ishwar, Shiv also Ishwar. Ram also Ishwar, Shiv also Ishwar.
शिव भी प्रकट हो
Now from Shivling, Shiv himself appeared.
तुम भी गलत
Oh Brahmanas, you also are false. Demigods, you also are wrong. Everyone got scared of Shivji.
आप ही बदलाओ।
Prabhu, it's your name, you only tell them.
शिव जी ने कहा
Then Shivji explained.
कहते हैं कि राम मेरे
He says,
ईश्वर हैं इसलिए
Ram
मेरा नाम
is my Ishwar, that's why my name is Rameshwaram.
राम मेरे ईश्वर हैं
Ram is my Ishwar, that's why my name is Rameshwaram.
इसलिए मेरे को ईश्वर कहा
And just beware if anyone would call me Ishwar.
कि मैं
Demons call me Ishwar, but you don't call. I am a servant of Ramji. I serve Ramji in the form of Hanuman. In the form of Shiva, I actually speak his Bhagavad Katha to Parvati. And on Rudraksh beats, I chant his holy name. I am his servant. I am not Ishwar.
ऐसे रामेश्वर वो तो ये आदर चंद्र क्यों धारण करते हैं? ये तो दक्ष प्रजापति ने कहा कैसा अशुभ आदर चंद्र।
Now Daksh Prajapati also said one thing, that why he is having this half moon on the head. The reason is that Chandra, the moon god, once he did a very wrong act.
27 पत्नियां होने पर भी
Even after having 27 wives, Chandra did something wrong.
और अब बड़ी
And now he is very much guilty.
चंद्र को शाप लग गया। उसको
Chandra got the curse of diminishing every day.
एक दिन करके तुम
He got this Khai Rog, a disease.
घटते चले जाते हैं ना। पूर्णिमा पे बड़े सुंदर गोल गोल
So Chandra, moon, is full moon on Purnima and slowly it diminishes, and by Amavasya it just gets completely
उस समय
gone.
चंद्र
Can't even see him. So at that time the moon went to Shivji and asking, what should I do? I have done this great fault. What should be my atonement?
तब शिव जी ने कहा
Then Shivji said,
सभी पश्चाताप में
among all atonements,
सभी पश्चाताप में भगवान का नाम सबसे
among all atonements, the best of all is the holy name of the Lord. So that's why just chant the holy name of the Lord.
मैं तो चिल्ला चिल्ली के ना बाहर नहीं जाओ ना बाहर नहीं जाओ। शिव जी ने कहा सभी पश्चाताप
Shivji
में
said
सबसे बड़ा पश्चाताप
that among
भगवान का
all
नाम।
atonements, the best of all is the holy name of the Lord.
शिव जी की बात को बड़ा करके
And Chandra,
भगवत नाम को करके
considering the importance of the words of Shivji, he started chanting the holy names. Seeing this, that the name
को अपने मस्तक में धारण किया।
is so important, and he has,
शमशान की
this
रात
moon has actually considered my words and started chanting. So, as a sign of respect,
शरीर पे तुम इतना अभिमान
Shivji has put him on his head.
राख बनने वाला
Then he applies the ashes to show that this body which you are so proud of, this will become into ashes soon.
सांपों को लटका के रखा।
And then why he is wearing snakes as a necklace?
सांप
Why?
वाला।
There, he could not get any other necklace. Why he is having snake as a necklace? Why he has? Tell me the reason. You answer.
अरे बताओ डरते क्यों? शिव जी भी किन्हीं से कथा सुनते हैं।
Shivji also hear katha from someone.
किनसे कथा सुनते हैं?
From whom?
अनंत शेष।
Ananta Shesh.
ये वैष्णव है ना? जो भी वैष्णव होगा
He is
वो बिना
Vaishnav.
कथा के
See,
रह
a
नहीं
Vaishnav cannot recite without Harikatha.
सकता। बिना कथा बोले रह नहीं सकता।
Without
बिना कीर्तन
speaking
के रह
katha,
नहीं
without doing kirtan.
सकता। इसलिए शिव जी को भी
That's why Shivji
कथा
also,
सुनने की बड़ा उत्सुकता रहती है।
he is very much eager to speak Harikatha all the time.
अनंत शेष।
And that's why he goes to Ananta Shesh
उनसे कथा सुनते हैं।
to hear Harikatha from him.
अपने गले में एक प्रतीक के रूप में
and as a sign,
उनको गले में धारण करते हैं। जैसे जो किसी
he
से प्रेम होता है,
applies him on his neck.
नाम का लॉकेट पहन लेता है कोई।
For example, when a person loves someone, then he wears a locket of that
शिव जी
name.
के गले में जो लॉकेट है,
Now
वो
Shiv ji
कौन?
has a locket.
अपने गुरु संकर्षण अनंत जी को,
A locket
शेष को
remembering his
गले में धारण करते हैं।
Guru Shankarshan Ananta Shesh. He applies that and hears Hari Katha from them.
शिव जी के हाथ में त्रिशूल है।
Shiv ji has trident in his hand.
त्रिशूल में कितने हैं?
There are 3
चार न पांच
sharp
हैं।
edges.
कितने शूल होते हैं? त्रिशूल क्यों धारण करते हैं?
Why he accepts Trishul?
त्रिशूल का मतलब है तीनों गुणों को मैंने
That
control
trident.
कर रखा है।
Trident
ना
means
सत्वगुण,
3,
ना रजोगुण,
modes.
और ना ही तमोगुण।
signifying that I have controlled all 3 modes. I am controlling.
कंट्रोलर हूँ।
I am the controller of 3 modes. The 3 are under me.
कभी भी
Shivji can never get touched by the mode of ignorance. Although Shivji is always surrounded by these ghosts and all ignorant people.
जितने अमंगल हैं उन
All
अमंगलों के बीच में
inauspiciousness, Shivji resides between that, applying
कोई शमशान में
ashes and all
आता है
these
तो
things.
स्नान करता है।
Anyone who goes to crematorial ground and come back, that take bath. But Shivji applies the ashes on the body, keeps mated here and
सर्प
all.
को लटकाते हैं, सारा अमंगल, और जो उनके आसपास है वो सारे
Wear a snake, all inauspiciousness, and everyone around are like ghosts, witches and all inauspiciousness.
राम जी की जब बारात आई ना
You know, when the
अयोध्या की ओर सीता जी को लेके राम जी आए ना, बारात आई जब, जितने मंगल हैं सब राम जी की बारात। भाई राम भगवान तो मंगल भवन,
so in the marriage of Ramji there is no allowance of ignorance. Now all auspiciousness, they are coming in the marriage of Ramji, but no inauspiciousness can enter. Now all this inauspiciousness, they are crying outside the marriage, oh, we cannot enter there. Now Shivji was coming and saw this. Why you are crying? Oh, this is the marriage of Ramji. It's all the task of auspiciousness. We are in auspiciousness. We cannot enter there. Shivji said, you want to see the marriage? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, come in my marriage. You want to see marriage? No? Come in my marriage. So you all can come in my marriage. And all the inauspiciousness that came in the marriage of Shivji. And Sati's mother, she really got very much, she even got fainted seeing this procession, because all the inauspiciousness came in the marriage of Shivji, but nobody can touch Shivji. Shivji makes all the inauspiciousness auspicious. Shivji with the trident showing that these 3 modes, Tamogun, Sattvagun and Rajogun, goodness, passion and ignorance, they are under me. So we really like the character, the personality of Shivji. Some people say, you all do not consider Shivji, you are against Shivji. I said, okay, really? I asked, what do you do on Shivratri? Oh, we fast on Shivratri. Then we drink bhang at night. Bhang is like an intoxication. And I said that we Vaishnavas on Shivratri, we also fast. And whole day, we establish Shivling, do Abhishek, speak his Harikatha, hear his Harikatha, and stay fruit fasting on the day of Shivratri. What happened on Shivratri? Some people say marriage happened, this happened, that happened.
शिवरात्रि के दिन, उसी दिन शिव जी ने समुद्र मंथन में से विष पान किया था, विष पान। और ये डॉक्टर भी बोलते हैं भाई जो जहर पी लेता है ना, भले उसकी चिकित्सा हो जाए।
Actually on this day, Shivji drank poison of ocean churning. Now the one who has taken poison, then it is told that he should not sleep. If he sleeps, then the poison will kill that person. Now all the devotees of Shiva, they did such kirtan so that Shivji cannot sleep. They didn't want Shivji to sleep. Although that poison cannot affect Shivji, but still, this is the meaning of Vatsalya. There is a mode that we do not want our Prabhu Shivji to sleep. That's why Shivratri was organized and Sankirtan happened. And Shivji plays, he dance, he do Tandav. Why he do Tandav? Why? He do Tandav to destroy, to annihilate. No. Such great personality, he does not need to dance for destruction. His eyes, third eye is enough for that. Opening the third eye, the destruction happens. Then what is this Tandav? Tandav means that out of ecstasy, Shivji dance. Ecstasy coming from the holy name of the Lord. He cannot stop himself from dancing. And then he just stand up and dance. This is Tandav.
और ऐसा बना दिया शिव जी को कि वो गुस्से में नाच रहे हैं, पृथ्वी को सब ध्वंस कर दिया। अरे इसके लिए भगवान इनको नाचने की जरूरत नहीं है। तीसरा नेत्र भी बहुत है। एक ऐसी सुंदर चरित्र है शिव जी का, अपनी पत्नी को गोद में बिठाए हुआ है।
So once Shivji actually kept his wife Parvati on the lap. And Parvati ji is embracing Shivji. In such state, he is speaking katha in the assembly of rishis. Is this the procedure? Is this the etiquette? Keeping the wife on the lap and she is embracing, and you are speaking katha to the saints? What he is showing through this? He is showing that this lust can never touch me. This ignorance, passion cannot touch me. Keeping wife on the lap, he is speaking Hari Katha and he is hearing also. Such is Shivji. One day, Kamdev, Cupid came and tried to disturb Shivji. And Shivji opened his third eye and just burnt Cupid at once. He became unarmed. In Vrindavan there is Gopeshwar Mahadev, who all have darshan of that. Have you been there? Those who have not been, just go there. In Vrindavan, actually Gopeshwar Mahadev can allow our entrance. He is the guard of the abode of Krishna. But he is very nice name, having nice name. Gopeshwar Mahadev. What is the meaning of this? Is he the Lord of Gopis? That's why Gopeshwar? No. Because he has come in the form of a gopi, that's why. No, that's also not the case. All these things are wrong. Oh, Ras Leela is happening. Shivji thought, Prabhu, he dances with everyone, I should also see Ras. And now in the Ras there is only one male, that is Krishna, and all other are nature, gopis, feminine. Now Shivji thought, I also want to have darshan of Ras, but I cannot enter with this masculine male body. I have to get a female body. So he prayed to Purnamasi Yogmaya. Oh Yogmaya ji, I really want to enter. I need an entry pass. Now Yogmaya said that entry pass means that you have to become a female. You can make me whatever you want. I want to see Ras. Okay, just dip in this pond. After dipping in the pond, when Shivji came out, he became female.
और चुपचाप बैठकर
Now silently sitting from far he is seeing Ras.
ये तो वही बात हो गई।
Now this is the thing.
आप किसके सामने सुंदर सुंदर गुलाब जामुन
It's like you eat gulab jamun in front of someone and the other person is just
लगता नहीं है।
seeing you and putting evil eye on that.
प्रभु गोपियों के साथ राधा जी के साथ रास कर
Then
रहे हैं।
that gulab jamun does not taste so much nice. So Krishna is performing Ras and he suddenly stopped, saying that someone is watching us.
कोई लड्डू खाना चाहता है।
I am not relishing that bliss. Someone is unqualified who is watching us. Now gopis are searching everywhere. Some unqualified person has come. Now they observe that this beautiful gopi sitting far, who is she? When they came, they found, hey,
तू नहीं आई लगती है।
you look new.
तो शिव जी बस घूंघट के अंदर से
So Shivji inside the veil itself saying, oh, yes, yes. Hey, what's your name? Tell your name.
और शिव जी मौन
Shivji is silent.
डिटेल्स तो पूछेंगे कि
He didn't ask such details from Yogmaya.
और बाहर आ जाओ।
Only got this female body. He didn't ask all these details to Yogmaya.
क्या है?
He was asked, what's your name?
तेरा ससुराल कहाँ है?
What's your in-laws place?
कुछ नहीं बता।
Where it is?
अरे
Who is
हस्बैंड
your...
का नाम तो बता।
What's the name of your husband? At least tell that.
अपने पति का नाम तो बता। ये भी नहीं पता। होता है कुछ
Don't know anything. Now
जिसको कुछ नहीं पता
the gopis, they felt some fishy, that some problem is there. It seems that she is from outside.
अच्छा,
Now,
जरा थोड़ा चल के देखो।
okay, just show your walk. Walk a little bit.
कॉलेज में कहते हैं ना रैगिंग होती है।
Now in college, as ragging happens,
रैगिंग हो रही है।
in this way, Shivji is getting the ragging by the gopis.
थोड़ा चल के दिखा।
So
अब जो
he's
करे
asked,
किसी को तो करना ही पड़ेगा, बस
just
ये
walk
बीच में।
a little bit. Now Shivji got stuck.
शिव जी जो खड़े हुए हैं,
When Shivji stood
वहाँ
up,
तो गोपियाँ
he is having a female body. The gopis, they walk very nicely, and then Shivji is walking such a manly walk.
रूप तो गोपी जैसा,
Having a female body, but a very manly walk.
मगर कुछ गड़बड़ है।
The gopis understood something wrong.
मारो इसको।
This is from outside, and they started beating
मारने शुरू कर दिए। क्या बात है?
gulche. They started
कुलचे नहीं,
giving
भाई एक
gulche.
कुलचे खिला देना सबको। ब्रज की भाषा में घूसे मारने
Not
को
kulche,
कुलचा
but
कहते हैं।
gulche. Gulcha is like hitting with the fist.
जो गोपियाँ पीटने लगी शिव जी को।
Now the gopis, they started beating Shivji, and Shivji, oh, protect me, save me, save me. Yogmaya came. Oh, stop, stop, stop. This is Shiva. He came into Ras by my mercy. He wanted to see Ras. Shiv, hey, go from here now.
गोपियाँ पीटे तुमको,
Before gopis will beat you nicely,
शिव जी ने
just
वही रास
go from here.
पक्षी पर
So Shivji, that same Rasa Sthali,
प्रणाम किया,
he paid obeisances to that place
और राधा जी की वंदना की।
and prayed
धन्य है
Radha
ब्रज
ji.
की गोपियाँ, धन्य है श्री राधा जी, जो पर ब्रह्म,
All glories to Radha Rani,
जो सर्वशक्तिमान है, वो इन गोपियों के साथ गले लगकर रास कर रहे हैं।
Parabrahma, Krishna, he is performing Ras, embracing these gopis. I can never get such fortune. This is the fortune of gopis. Now I cannot become gopi, but I can attain their foot dust on my head. That's why today I just announce this,
ये गोपियाँ ही मेरी ईश्वर हैं।
that these gopis are my
नाम होगा
Ishwar
गोपेश्वर।
and my name will be
इसका
Gopeshwar.
मतलब
Gopeshwar
गोपियाँ
means
शिव की ईश्वरियाँ हैं।
gopis are the Ishwar of that Shiva.
और ये तो गोपियों की बात, राधा
And
जी
this
के
is
संबंध
about
में कुछ
gopis.
नहीं पाए।
Regarding Radha ji, Shivji is not able to speak
राधा जी का
anything.
एक नाम है त्रिदेश्वरी।
Radha ji's one name is Trideshwari. Krishna's one name is Tridesh, not Tridev.
त्रि, त्रि का मतलब होता है
Three means
सतगुण, रजगुण,
Satagun, Rajogun, Tamogun.
त्रि का मतलब होता है वृंदावन लीला, मथुरा लीला, द्वारका लीला, तीनों के ईश्वर। त्रि का मतलब होता है इस पृथ्वी पर लीला, वैकुंठ लीला और गोलोक लीला, इन तीन के ईश्वर। और इनकी जो ईश्वरी है वो है त्रिदेश्वरी। ये राधा जी का नाम है।
Now Trideshwari is the name of Radha ji.
प्रमाण शासनेश्वरी, रमेश्वरी, शमेश्वरी, प्रमोद काननेश्वरी, ब्रजेश्वरी, ब्रजाधिपे मुनिंद वृंद वंदिते त्रिलोक शोक हारिणी प्रसन्न वक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भूमिरासनि ब्रजेन्द्र भानु नंदनी ब्रजेन्द्र सोनु संगते अराधरी शशि अशोक वृक्ष वल्लरी विधान मंडपास्ते प्रभात भार पल्लव प्रभातुराधिको पराभया सुरा करे प्रभुत संपदायने परा करे शशि कृपा कटाक्ष। कभी करेंगे कृपा कटाक्ष। ये शिव जी ने गाया,
शिव जी संग
कृपा का कटाक्ष मुझको प्राप्त हो जाए। ये गान शिव जी का गान है और इसमें रह नहीं पाए। लास्ट में क्रियेश्वरी क्या है? महेश्वरी क्रियेश्वरी।
May I attain the sidelong glance of Radha?
प्रमाण शासनेश्वरी रमेश्वरी शमेश्वरी प्रमोद काननेश्वरी ब्रजेश्वरी ब्रजादि पे श्री राधिके नमोस्तुते। इतना प्रणाम किया शिव जी ने। ये शिव जी की महिमा है।
This is the glory of Shiv.
कितने नाम? गोपेश्वर, कामेश्वर,
Gopeshwar, Kameshwar. You go to Kamevan in Brajmandal Parikrama.
शिव वहाँ पर कामेश्वर,
Shiv ji is established there as Kameshwar, Kapileshwar,
भुवनेश्वर,
Bhuvaneshwar in Jagannath Puri.
कितने सारे ऐसे नाम हैं। शंकर, महादेव, शंभु, रुद्र, नीलकंठ, ऐसे कितने।
So many names.
क्यों? शिव जी को कभी अभिमान
Why?
नहीं होता।
Shiv ji never gets pride.
सब समय बेचारे दीनहीन रहते हैं।
Always stay humble because he is Vaishnav.
दक्ष प्रजापति ने जो शिव के अपमान सुना,
Now whatever Daksh Prajapati said, Saraswati ji just converted that into prayers of Shiv ji.
दक्ष के ये वचन सुनकर शिव जी के जो
Now hearing the words of Daksha,
परिकर थे,
Shiv ji's associates,
उन्होंने ब्राह्मणों को शाप दे दिया।
they just cursed Brahmanas.
शिव का जब अपमान हो रहा था ना, उषा देवता खिलखिलाकर हंस रहा था। किसी बड़े व्यक्ति का अपमान हो और आप अपमान करने वाले की सहायता करोगे तो आपको भी अपमान लग गया, आपको भी वो दोष लग गया। मित्र देवता आंखें गोल गोल हिलाता हुआ दक्ष प्रजापति के साथ हो गया। ऐसे कोई खिलखिलाकर हंस रहा है, कोई आंख घुमा घुमा कर हंस रहा है। शिव जी ने सबको देख लिया।
So Shiv ji saw everyone who is laughing in that assembly when he is getting criticized. Now the devotees of Shiva, they cursed the Brahmanas that you just stay a beggar.
ब्राह्मणों से भी रहा नहीं गया। उन्होंने शिव परिकर को भी शाप दे दिया कि तुम सब ढोंगी हो जाओ।
And the Brahmanas also could not stop themselves. They cursed that, oh, all those who consider Shiv ji as independent, they should become all duplicit. See, this curse does not apply on Vaishnav because Vaishnav knows the position of Shiv ji. So on Vaishnava this curse does not come, but those who worship Shiva independently, then they become duplicit.
इसलिए शाप पर शाप होते चले गए। शिव जी ने सोचा इस सभा अब तो बिगड़ चुकी है, यहाँ बैठने का कोई प्रयोजन नहीं।
Shivji thought that they are all fighting, let me just get out of this assembly, I don't want to be a part of it.
और उसके बाद जो आपस में झगड़ा लगा, पूरी सभा भंग हो गई, पूरी सभा। शिव जी कैलाश पर आकर बैठ गए। कुछ दिन के बाद सती जी ने देखा आकाश मार्ग से उनकी
Now Shivji sat on Kailash and then Sati saw that her sisters are going and discussing that
एक बड़ा सुंदर यज्ञ किया है।
Father Daksh Prajapati has organized a very big yajna. So they are decorated and they are going to that ceremony of the father. And Sati said, "Oh, I will also join you." Sati said to Shivji, "All the sisters are going with their husband for the fire sacrifice of my father. We should also go." Shivji said, "Sati, we have not got any invitation. If invited, then we could have gone. And your father is very he is having enmity with me." So Sati ji said, "Oh, it's your fault also in that. You could have stood in that assembly for 2 minutes to welcome my father." Shivji, seeing the eyes of Sati, thinking that, hey, what Sati said? Shivji said, "Oh Sati, the time when your father came, I was not into myself. I was externally sitting there, but my consciousness was completely absorbed in meditation to my Prabhu. And in such state, if a person is so absorbed, then if he is not standing, then there is no fault. Now Sati said, "Okay, fine, but there are some places where there is no need of invitation. For example, if the girl wants to go to the father's house, she does not need an invitation. She can go anytime. If a person wants to go to Guruji's place, then he does not need any invitation. Guruji's place is always open for everyone."
बेकार में कुछ हो जाएगा, मैं तो नहीं जाऊंगा। तुम देख लो, सती तो जो गई अंदर।
Shivji said, "Sati, I will not go. You can go." She said, "Okay."
अच्छा, मेरे बिना जाओगी? बोले, हाँ पिताजी ने यहाँ तो जाना है। ठीक है सती, सावधान होके जाना, कुछ बिगड़ ना जाए। सती ने कहा, क्या बिगड़े? पिता क्या जा रहे हैं? जैसी सती गई, शिवजी ने नंदी को भेज दिया, नंदी तुम पीछे पीछे जाओ और सती की रक्षा करना। और नंदी से बढ़कर और कौन बलवान हो सकता है जो शिवजी को वहन करने वाले? नंदी जी शिवजी के सेवक हैं। दक्ष प्रजापति के यज्ञ स्थली में जैसी सती पहुंची, आज किसी भी बहन ने आगे आकर सती का अभिनंदन नहीं किया। सब पिता से डर रही है। तब माता आई, सती को गले लगाया, "अरे तुम भी आई हो, आ जाओ आ जाओ, आओ भीतर आओ।" सती ने चारों ओर देखा, सबका स्थान रखा है। और कई बार
Now when Sati reached their ceremony, then she found that everyone is having a special position except for Shivji. Sati felt so bad. And Sati came in front of the father and said, "Oh my father, listen to me. This name of Shivji is so auspicious, and you have actually developed enmity to that Shiv. You have given this body. I will just end this body because you have developed enmity to Shiv."
सती जी की भावना देखो, आपने शिव से, मेरे पति से द्वेष किया है। बात वहां पर पति पत्नी की नहीं है, शिव की महिमा की है। इसलिए एक शरीर का अंत आपके सामने ही करोगी, क्योंकि आपने इसको दिया, आपने इसको जन्म दिया। और वही यज्ञ में सती की यज्ञ कुंड में जो कूदी।
And then Sati just entered into the fire sacrifice.
अरे भयंकर युद्ध आरंभ हो गया।
Great fighting started. Nandi could not stop.
युद्ध आरंभ। शिव जी को सूचना मिली
Shivji got the news,
शिव जी तो बड़े क्रोध में आए।
Shivji got very angry.
सती जी की अब देह तो त्याग चुकी है,
Now
अपनी
Sati
देह को
ji
अपनी पीठ पर रखकर
has left her body.
शिव बस
Now Shivji taking Sati on the shoulders, he is just moving everywhere.
एकदम पागल से हो रहे, सहन नहीं कर पाई अपमान।
He became mad.
और भगवान शिव जी के पीछे चलते चलते
And Bhagwan walking behind Shivji,
देह को भाग करना आरंभ कर
he started breaking the body of Sati with the Sudarshan.
और जहाँ जहाँ उनके अंग गिरे
And wherever Sati's body parts fell, it became a very auspicious place, Shakti Peeth.
जम्मू में जाए तो मस्तक कहाँ पर? वैष्णो देवी में मस्तक, या कुरुक्षेत्र के रास्ते में जाओ, कुरुक्षेत्र में वहाँ उनके चरण हैं, एक एक अंग जा गिरा। वहाँ कामाख्या देवी, एक एक अंग जा गिरा, वहाँ शक्ति बन गया। ये सती की महिमा। और उस दिन शिव हो
And
गए
that
मौन।
day, Shivji became
एकदम
silent,
चुप, अब किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे।
does not talk to anyone.
जो टीवी सीरियल में देखते हो ना, आपको लगता है सच बात दिखाते हैं।
In TV serial, they make it a drama and
उनको तो अपना
change
सीरियल
many
चलाना है,
things.
उनको पैसे से मतलब है। उनको वास्तविकता तो पता नहीं, थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक करके उसको
They don't
दिखा
know
देना।
the reality.
शिव मौन हो गए।
Shivji became silent.
उस समय शिव जी ने अपनी
At that time, Shivji just removed his
वीरभद्र प्रभु प्रकट हुए
one mated hair.
और
Veerbhadra Prabhu appeared, and Veerbhadra Prabhu said, "What's the order, my master? Oh, my Swami,
जाओ दक्ष का यज्ञ का
Go.
ध्वंस।
and just
वीरभद्र
destroy
प्रभु आए
Daksh, everything."
और दक्ष प्रजापति का सारा यज्ञ ध्वंस करने लगे, मार काट करने लगे। जो शिव का उपहास कर रहे थे, उनके नेत्रों को निकाल दिया गया। जो खिलखिलाकर दांत दिखाकर हंस रहे थे, उनके दांतों को तोड़ दिया।
Everyone got punished.
और वीरभद्र प्रभु ने तो दक्ष प्रजापति को लिया और घसीट के वो ले गए, जैसे पशु की बलि दी जाती है, ऐसे तलवार से उसके गले को जो काटा, कट ही नहीं रहा। फिर जैसे बलि दी जाती है,
Now
ऐसे वहाँ पर
Veerbhadra
जो
Prabhu
काटा,
just
सिर
cut
काटा,
the head of Daksh Prajapati.
पूरा ध्वंस तहस नहस कर दिया। सारे देवता
All the demigods, they came to Shivji,
बोलते, महादेव बाबा बड़ा ध्वंस हो गया, बड़ा मार
saying, "Oh Mahadev Baba, so much destruction."
आप क्षमा कर दीजिए। सबने कैलाश की सुंदर सौंदर्य को देखा, हाँ बड़ा सुंदर स्थान, मान सरोवर।
Everyone saw the beauty of Kailash. Seeing this
वो नहीं
beauty,
जो आज आप जाकर देखोगे, हम तो उस दृष्टि से वो सुंदरता को देख ही नहीं सकते, वो ढकी रहती है।
we cannot see that beauty. It's always hidden. When demigods went there, they saw beauty.
शिव जी ने कहा, अरे अरे इतना सब हो गया, हमको तो पता नहीं।
Shivji said, "So many things happened, I don't
मैंने तो
know."
दक्ष को थोड़ा सा कुछ सिखाने के लिए प्रयास किया। अच्छा सिर में बैठ गया, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आशीर्वाद देता हूँ।
I just tried to teach Daksh some lesson. Okay. Oh, he got this head
जो
cut.
जो अंग कटे, ऐसे शिव उनको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं। बोलते पूछा, देवता के दांत टूट गए, उसको अब चबाने की जरूरत नहीं, लिक्विड डाइट पे रहे, पानी शरबत पीता रहे, जिंदा रहेगा। जिसकी आंख टूटी, उसको ये लग जाए, उसको वो लग जाए, शिव जी जो बोले सबका ऐसे कैसे होने लग जाए। और दक्ष प्रजापति का जो मुंह कट गया, गला कट गया, अब वो लगाने की जरूरत नहीं। बकरे
He
का
said
मुंह-
that, oh, Daksh Prajapati's head got chopped off.
बकरे
Just
का
applied
मुंह-
a goat's face on
बकरा क्या
that.
बोलता है? मैं
Why goat face? Because goat always say meh, meh. Meh means I. It's me.
दक्ष भी तू भी सब समय यही बोलता रहता है, बस तेरे को प्रधान क्या बनाया, बस मैं ही मैं हो गया। अब मेरे सामने उनको टिकता नहीं, मैं ही मैं हूँ, बस मैं ही मैं हूँ। ले तू बकरा ही बन जा।
So you become
मैं करता रहे सब समय।
a goat only.
शिव जी के चरणों का ये अपमान करने का ये फल, ये फल स्वरूप जो शिव का द्वेष करे,
So such is the result of
वो भगवान का
disrespecting
द्वेष
Shiv Ji.
करे। और जो शिव जी से अच्छी अच्छी बात मांगे तो शिव उनको हरि भक्ति, हरि चरण भी प्रदान कर सकते हैं। बड़े आशुतोष है, जो मांगता है उसको सब दे देते हैं। सती जी ने देव को त्यागा, सिर्फ एक बात थी बस? नहीं, इसके पीछे की भी एक बात है। एक बार शिव और सती दोनों वाहन पे जा रहे थे आकाश मार्ग से। उस समय जब श्री राम जी सीता जी के घेरे में, सीता जी को रावण ले गया और राम जी वृक्षों से पूछ रहे, मेरी सीता को देखा? अरे पृथ्वी मेरी सीता को देखा? अरे पत्तों, अरे पुष्पों मेरी सीता को देखा? शिव जी ने उतरकर राम जी को दूर से प्रणाम कर सती ने कहा, आपने किसको प्रणाम किया? तो ये मेरे प्रभु हैं श्री राम। सती कहने लगी, ये आपके भगवान नहीं हो सकते। शिव जी ने कहा, क्यों? अरे मैं सती बता सकती हूँ, इस समय सीता लंका में है, ये भगवान है, इनको नहीं पता? पेड़ों से पूछ रहे हैं, पतों से पूछ रहे हैं, इससे पूछ रहे हैं, उससे पूछ रहे हैं, क्या इनको नहीं पता? शिव जी ने कहा, सती तुम नहीं जानती कि मेरे प्रभु लीला कर रहे हैं। सती कहने लगी, नहीं, मैं परीक्षा करनी चाहती हूँ। बोले, तुम करो परीक्षा, मैं तो चला कैलाश पर, आ जाना। और सती ने क्या किया? सीता जी का वेश धारण किया। क्या किया? मेरी तरफ देखो, उधर नहीं देखो, क्या किया? मैंने खाने की तरफ बड़ा ध्यान रखा है। ठाकुर जी को खाने दो, फिर जो मर्जी खा ले। कल भी मैंने बोला, 1 मिनट में ध्यान इधर। कथा तो ऐसी हो बस पूरा एकदम समाधि लग जाए और सुनते जाओ सुनते जाओ। इसका मतलब क्या? अभी कमी है, चावल अच्छे चल रहे हैं, पके नहीं। सती ने किसका वेश धारण किया? सीता जी का। और जब राम जी वृक्ष से पूछ रहे ना, मेरी सीता कहाँ है, सती सामने आ गई। सीता जी सामने आ गई। राम जी ने मुंह फेर लिया। अब बोले, मेरी सीता कहाँ है? सती फिर सामने आ गई, फिर मुंह घुमा लिया, मेरी सीता कहाँ है? 3-4 बार ऐसे हो गया। राम जी हार कर कहने लगे, अरे सती जी, महादेव जी तो कब के चले गए, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो? जाओ, तुम यहाँ क्या कर रही हो, जाओ। सती जी हैरान हो गई, ये कैसे जान गए कि मैं सीता नहीं सती हूँ? वो ये तो प्रभु है। बात को बोल बोल कर दिया। शिव जी के पास आकर, पत्नी का स्थान कहाँ होता है? कहाँ होता है? वाम अंग में। सती आकर जो बैठने लगी वाम अंग में, शिव जी कहने लगे, सती यहाँ नहीं बैठना, मेरे सामने बैठना। सती जी ने कहा, क्यों? शिव कह रहे, सती वाम अंग तो पत्नी का होता है ना? तो सती ने कहा, तो हाँ, इसलिए तो यहाँ बैठ रही हूँ। शिव जी ने कहा, नहीं, सामने वाला स्थान होता है माता का स्थान। आज से तुम सामने बैठना तो मेरी माता हो। सती ने कान बंद कर लिया। प्रभु, आज के बाद ये बात मत कहना। माता क्यों कह रहे हो? शिव कह रहे, क्योंकि तुमने मेरी माता का रूप धारण किया ना, तुमने मेरी माता का रूप धारण किया और मेरे प्रभु की परीक्षा लेनी चाहिए। इसलिए आज के बाद नहीं। उस दूध के अंदर एक जाम लगता है। भगवान के अंदर जब शक्तियों का कुछ एक जाम लगता है, वही भगवान फिर शिव के रूप में प्रकट होते हैं। भगवान शिव बन सकते हैं।
So Shiv Ji's
दूध नहीं बन सकता।
tattva is very
वो शिव भगवान नहीं बन सकते।
important.
इससे भगवान की समस्त
Lord can
लीलाओं
become Shiva, but Shiva cannot become Lord. Because, for example, the milk can become curd, but the curd can never turn into milk. So that Shivji, he always comes to serve Thakurji, to serve Krishna. In all the places, Shivji is present.
ये दो अक्षर का शिव नाम
This name, Shiv, is very auspicious.
में प्रार्थना करते हैं
At the lotus feet of that Shiva, we pray, O Ashutosh, O Mahadev, fulfill everyone's desire, fulfill our desire as well.
जब हम ये प्रार्थना करें शिव जी
When we pray like this, then Shivji will ask, what desire?
रोज धीरे-धीरे बताएंगे कल ये
Oh,
परसों ये
every day they will tell slowly, slowly, 1, 2, 3. But if Shivji says, no, just fulfill one, then we will become,
1000 गज की कोठी मांगो
we will start thinking that, oh, should I ask a big house, my daughter's marriage,
जॉब लग जाए वो मांगो
job for my son?
शिव जी 5-7 नहीं दे सकते नहीं एक
Shivji cannot give 5, 6 boon? No,
वहाँ पर
one.
चालाकी करनी पड़ेगी
Now there is a requirement of cleverness.
चालाकी समझते हैं
You know cleverness?
एक लड़की 40-45 साल की हो गई
A woman, she was 40, 50 years old, she is single. She does not get married because she is little blind. So nobody wants to marry her.
अब घर में बैठी है जो बहू
Now
है,
in the house,
लड़की है,
all
कब तक बैठी रहेगी
other females, they are saying, hey, you are staying in the house for so many years. You are 40 years old. Just get married and leave from here.
जो जल डालना शुरू
So someone told her to start worshipping Shivji and fast for him. So this woman, very nicely she served. Shivji appeared.
महादेव बाबा
So, oh Mahadev Baba ki jai ho. Shivji appeared. Oh Prabhu.
क्यों वो इतनी तपस्या की
Shivji asked, why you did so much austerity? What you want?
आप कैसे जानने में चाहती हूँ अरे चाहने के लिए लोग मेरे पास आते हैं मेरे को कोई नहीं चाहता
Oh, I have some
मेरे
desires.
पास आते हैं
Shivji said, yes, I know. Everyone have desires.
वो मेरे को चाहते हैं
Only Vaishnavas, they desire me.
भक्ति मांगते हैं
Else everyone desires some material things. What do you desire?
जल्दी बोल
Tell fast. Okay.
पहले तो ना मेरी आंखें ठीक कर दो
First, just
फिर अब मैं थोड़ी
cure
थोड़ी
my
थोड़ी
eyes, make me young,
अच्छी सी सुंदर कर दो
beautiful, and give me wealth.
बड़ा घर हो
I get married in a nice family,
कोठी तो हो
very big bungalow,
गाड़ियाँ अच्छी
2-3 cars,
हाँ लंबोर्गिनी जरूर दे
Lamborghini.
पति बड़ा सुंदर हो
Husband also should be beautiful,
और उसका समाज में नाम भी हो
very famous.
इसके बाद एक मांगे जा रही है
One after another, she is asking everything.
तेरी तो लिस्ट खत्म नहीं हो रही
Shivji said, hey,
एक
shut
बार
up.
दर्शन दिया एक
I have given one darshan, ask one boon. Your list is never ending. Not 2, 4.
एक ही दोगे तो मांग लिए कि मैं जाऊं अच्छा एक मिनट का
Okay,
समय
just give me 1 minute to think about it.
सोच लिया
Okay,
तो जल्दी बोल
I have decided.
बुला रहे हैं। सती ने कहा एक ही सांस में बोल गई ये लड़की
Now this woman said,
कहती है मैं अपने पोते
I
को
want to
खाली
see
पेट
my
सोने के
grandson
खीर खाते हुए अच्छे से
sitting on the elephant eating sweet rice in golden pot.
चला दे
Shivji said, hey, this is so clever.
मैं तो दो
He said
मांगे,
to ask for one boon, so I just asked one boon.
बच्चा
So my grandson means she's got married also and got grandson.
कौन बैठता है
Sitting on on hathi, elephant,
खाता है तो सोना बांट
means very kingly. Eating on golden pots and see him very nicely.
चला है
So
मांगना हो तो
she asked for everything: eyes, richness, husband, wealth, fame, everything. Shivji said, okay.
आप लोग भी सोच समझकर एक ही वर में सारे वर
So you also should be very clever and ask a nice boon.
जाते हो वो साइन करते करते थक जाते हैं है ना सारे वरों में सबसे श्रेष्ठ वर क्या है?
Among all boons, the best of all boon is
हनुमान जी राम जी के दास है ना रिद्धि सिद्धि के मालिक है क्या नहीं
like Hanuman ji. He is the master of all perfections.
चरणों की सेवा चाहता है नाम लेता है पूजा करता है और वो क्या ऐसी चीज है जो हनुमान जी नहीं दे सकते
So what is that thing that Hanuman ji cannot
जो
give?
नहीं दे सकते
He can give
सब दे
everything.
सकते हैं। लेकिन वो हनुमान जी करते क्या है
But what that Hanuman ji do?
दास
I am the servant of Ram. and
राम जी का नाम, राम
always chants Ram, 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 Ram.
एकदम उठकर गले लगा लेंगे।
So ask for bhakti of the Lord from Shivji,
फाइलें पास हो जाएंगी।
and He will just stand up and embrace you, and everything else will be fulfilled.
देर होगी, काम
There might be some delay, but the task will be done. And the Lord also observed this. He also thinks that where I should stay, where I should not stay, what should be done, what should not be done. He thinks about it.
चेष्टा हम करेंगे।
We put efforts, but Prabhu, He decides.
आज इन शिव जी के चरणों में हम
So
प्रार्थना
we
करते
pay obeisances at the lotus feet of Shivji. Please give us bhakti.
हैं। आप नाम करते हैं,
As you chant,
ऐसे हम भी नाम करें।
as that we also chant,
भी नाम करते हैं।
as your sons chant,
गणेश जी,
like Ganesh ji,
वे भी राम नाम करते
we
हैं।
also chant Ram
हम
Naam.
भी नाम करके
We also chant Ram Naam and make our life successful.
हाँ,